Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works collaboration with TOYO tires. Today we have the Mercedes-Benz 190E 190E 2.5-16 EVO 1, and this is collaboration with TOYO tires. A very nice looking box right here. We have the vertical long box right here, which is great. There's the car over here. Of course, when it comes to TOYO tires, we have that simple white and blue color tone, white on the top, blue at the bottom, with the TOYO tires logo here and there. So this one's interesting. They actually included some of the real photos of the car. I believe was showcased at SEMA, I think. Not sure last year or this year, the year before SEMA, I'm not sure. But yeah, 2 images of the car. Oh yeah, actually 3. There's another one over here, quite a small one, but still there it is. So this is K model 164, that is the car again. Over here, Global 64 Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16 EVO 1. TOYO tires, blue and white again. Up on the top you have the TOYO tires logo right there. At the bottom, of course, you have Tarmac Works. And over at the back, every car has a story. You can pause to read the information right here. And then you have the Mercedes-Benz sorry. So sorry. So you have the Mercedes-Benz licensing. Sorry. Mercedes-Benz licensing right here. There's the car's name and there's the barcode if you need it. Tarmac Works socials. So let's open this up. I apologize for my voice. Not sure why. Sorry. So hold on. There it is, the Mercedes-Benz 190E. In what color? Doesn't state. I believe it's sort of like a metallic dark green, I think. That looks nice if you ask me. Love the rim details as well. They want to focus more on the rims right there, as you can see. Yeah, let's put it on the turntable and let's take a look here. I mean, I like the color and all. Looks stunning if you ask me. Metallic, dark green sort of color. Love the design on this car as well. Like, it's just very simple. And yeah, nothing much going on. Now, I believe the images on the box should be the presentation of the car over at SEMA, if I'm not mistaken, for TOYO tires, of course. And yeah, this is apparently the car that was there. And of course, there is an owner of this car. I forgot his name, but I did manage to find his Instagram profile recently, I think. And yeah, he, if I'm not mistaken, owns one of these cars in real life, which is, yeah, I would say Tarmac's gonna give a tribute sort of for this car, which yeah, is really good. Love to see such a car in, interestingly, a dark green color, which we don't often see or like can imagine. Now Tarmac did announce that they are going to release several other colors of the 190E. For example, this color right here is already released. There will be one in black, I suppose, and then the recently announced ones, which would be the Senna and Prost Mercedes 190Es, which are very nice in that gold sort of paint job, which yeah, I hopefully get my hands on them very soon, hopefully. And yeah, the 190E is gonna be one part of the casting that's gonna hit stores for Tarmac basically, and many people are going to get their hands on each and every color of them, I suppose. Those who actually have the real 190E. But still, the casting is really nice and all, really like it. The color is something that we do not really expect to see on a 190E. I mean, dark green. Okay, it's possible, but yeah, the likelihood of that type of color is quite rare, if you ask me. And yeah, the rims on these are just fantastic. We need to focus on those as well, as I believe they are mainly focused on the rims and tires, I suppose. So let's start here. We have the car over on its side right here. 5-spoke, sort of like, what do I describe this color right here? So like a goldish green liquid color with the outer barrel being in silver. Rubber tires, by the way. There's your wheel arch, of course, your single yellow stripe over on the side right there, and above it you have the door handles towards the doors, of course. You have a plastic side mirror right here, which is cool, in black, I think. Yeah, that is over on the side. Moving towards the front, you do have your transparent headlights again right here on the front, which are pretty clean and I really like it. You have your front grille detailing with the liquid silver sort of color paint job, which I like. Front grille right here as well at the bottom, extended front splitter. And then you do have that tiny little Mercedes-Benz logo, if you can see it right there. There is a very small Mercedes-Benz logo. There is your hood of the car, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. This have a TOYO tires windshield banner right here on the windshield, and it is of course left-hand drive right there. Roof, nothing on the roof except for like a basically a sunroof right here on the top, but of course it's closed right now. Here is the other side, if you're wondering, pretty much the same thing. I don't see much of a difference. It's, yeah, pretty cool. Over on the back right here, you do have that small little rear spoiler. Right here, 190E Mercedes-Benz logo. And then you do have your iconic classic Mercedes-Benz rear lights right here with the blinkers right there. And then you do have twin exhaust on the side right there. And yeah, twin exhausts right there as well. And over on the base, so it's a metal base, interesting. Metallic, metal black top base. Tarmac works. Mercedes-Benz 190E EVO 1, made in China. And yeah, you do have the exhaust system at the bottom right here, in that silver metallic paint job. Really am loving this casting. It's very nice model. Hope to see several other colors coming out in the future for this specific model. Many people have their eyes on the 190E a lot, and it's great to see that Tarmac is actually doing it, especially the EVO 1 version. I think it is not it's quite underrated, but sadly not many Mercedes-Benz does it properly, like right, for this one casting, which is sadly a bit of a shame. But yeah, we have finally found Tarmac Works that actually does a pretty good job, and yeah, I really like it. For the first model being in dark green, I don't see where is an issue with this, and it's a very cool one. I hope to see this car hopefully in silver or maybe black soon in the future, and of course the Senna and Prost versions very soon. But yeah, that's all for my review today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.